Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving your DWG and enabling auto save to 1 minute so you limit loss. This protects you while we troubleshoot. Next, close non-essential apps and check Task Manager to free at least 20% of RAM because Auto CAD stalls when memory is constrained. Once done, verify graphics and system drivers plus Auto CAD updates. Outdated drivers often cause freezes. Make sure to run Auto CAD as administrator for this initial diagnosis, so permission issues don't mask other problems. Now you change the workspace to a basic or classic layout and reset your Auto CAD profile to default so custom settings aren't the culprit. Then disable hardware acceleration and test with an alternate GPU driver. This isolates conflicts between Auto CAD and graphics card features. Meanwhile, run audit, recover, and purge on problem drawings to remove corrupt objects and reduce file complexity. Complex hatch patterns, XREFs, or massive blocks often cause intermittent locking. If freezes stop, reintroduce changes one at a time to find the trigger. Finish by running the Auto CAD repair tool, and if needed, perform a clean reinstall after exporting your custom profiles and tool palettes. This eliminates corrupted program files. Create a minimal test file and reproduce the freeze. If it only occurs with a specific file, focus recovery on that DWG and its XREFs or fonts. Finally, collect the diagnostic log and system info. If the problem persists, use System Restore Points or contact Autodesk support with logs so they can identify driver, plugin, or licensing causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.